We're in John's Silverado, what year, 92? 93 Silverado with the, we got 8 DVC Special Edition 12s behind the seat. And we're gonna play around with it and see what it sounds like. What's up guys, BD Wiz, oldschoolstereo.com. Today we're going to look at some of John's installs from the past few years at the Spring OSS meets, including the Ford Focus SVT. The next year after that he brought the 2004 Isuzu Rodeo. Always had a Rockford themed install. You can see the chrome basket punch DVCs here. And last year, 2017, he brought this 2000 Jeep Wrangler Sahara with the punch 200x2 amps, bazooka subs, very slick. Nothing too out of the ordinary here or too over the top, but still every year brings it on. This year, 2018 OSS meet, a 1993 Chevy Silverado extended cab with the 15x8 Eagle alloys, lowered suspension by Beltec. Nice stance going on there. So the next few slides here, you will see the subwoofer box build. Each chamber 1.33 cubic foot after displacement. They're all sealed up individually. There's no sharing of the cubic footage here. So very nice build. I'll just let you see the rest of the pictures and I'll come back in a minute. And here you can see the amplifier layout. He was trying to decide how to best mount the 5 punch 200x2s and 1 punch 400x4s. So yeah, these amps look mint, crazy nice. Subwoofer box was covered in gray vinyl. Look really slick here with the subs installed. These are all chrome baskets. You can't tell by the picture here because they're mounted in the normal way. But here's the box inside the truck with the speaker wiring. And then he was deciding how to mount the amps and wanted, kind of a unique layout. So he decided to do 5 kind of in a triangular shape and then have 1 mounted at the back. That would cause need a little riser here on the front to rise one of the amps up. You can't see the punch 400x4, but it's behind that 200x2 in the center. He's got Stinger circuit breakers here, 300 amp. And then we have the Q-form kick panels with the ESB 8000s. These are super high-end Italian made ESB audio separates here. We've got the soft dome tweeters. We've got the super nice mid basses here, mid ranges. And yeah, how many 6.5s do you see with 8 screws to hold them in? Not too many. These are really slick though. And for the head unit, for the source, we use the DHP 8000R. John's used this the past few years, and I think pretty much all of his installs that I showed you before. It's a really nice head unit, 4-volt output. It has front, rear, sub, all the different outputs that you need. And here's his layout. So the punch 200x2 powers the components, and a punch 400x4 powers 3.5 and 6.5 inch coaxials. And then 4 punch 200x2s power the 8 punch DVC 12s. Alright, so here's the gut shots of the punch 200 amplifiers from 1993 to 1995. John's using the 200x2 there on the far right. Gives you an idea of the guts of the amplifier he's using. Here's a picture of the subs and everything almost completed, and then here's a completed shot. Again, these subs have the chrome basket. They're the limited edition DVC subs. What's Big D got to say about this? We're in John's Silverado, what year, 92? 93 Silverado with the, we got 8 DVC Special Edition 12s behind the seat. And we're gonna play around with it and see what it sounds like. Now before people get too big into the numbers here, this system's really not set up for SPL. Sealed subwoofers, they were not broken in, but anyway, enjoy. So what do you normally hit? You don't have any idea?
I have no clue.
Okay. Alright guys, there you have John's old school Rockford install on a Silverado. Make sure you check the video description, pick you up a I Am Old School t-shirt. Had a couple different designs. We have the classic old school stereo logo and also the one done by Scott Hall. Very slick. Thanks again to John for letting us video his truck. Thanks everybody for watching the video. Big thumbs up. Until next time, Big D Wiz, I'm out of here. We're here in Chris's truck with a 2 Sundown 6.5s, and we're going to try Bass Erotica and see what it does.